Hey guys, G3 Chevy here. Just came home with this 75 Hurst Olds W-30. A buddy of mine found this out east of Houston. We went halves in on it, and then he took on too many projects, so I bought his half out. But I guess this is a pretty rare car. It's got the original 455 in it. Swivel bucket seats, the dual gate shifter, power windows and door locks, power trunk release. It's got the factory gauges. Of course, that doesn't include a factory tack, but it's got the Hurst Olds digital tack, which I guess was an option. And it's got the tilt and the cruise. Of course, it's got the Hurst hatches on it, first year of that. I guess from my research, this is the second design, and unfortunately it succumbed to a little bit of rust from this vinyl roof it used to have. You can see the remnants of the Hurst Olds emblem and the fabrication, I guess if you'd call that fabrication, from Hurst when they put the vinyl top on that was unique to this era of vehicle. But some point in time somebody tried to do some patchwork back there. I'm going to have to cut all that out and weld in some new metal. But the rest of the vehicle is pretty solid, other than, like I said, around the roof line and rear window where the vinyl top used to be installed. It's got very little rust. Got a little hole there. Might be able to do a patch panel on that. But overall, the vehicle is very straight from what I can tell. The glass is all intact. It's got the louvered hood. It is missing the, I guess, hood emblem, or yeah, it's like a spring-loaded hood emblem. And here is the 455 big block. It's got the dual horns. It's got most of the original equipment under the hood. I did have to replace the dipstick. It was missing, and it looks like somebody hacked up the fuel supply line, but other than that, most everything looks original. It looks like they bypassed the heater core. I'm sure that'll need to be replaced. But the hood looks straight. Doesn't look like there's hardly any rust. So pretty excited about this. This should be a nice project. From my research, I guess there was only about 1,100 and so of the W-30 big blocks made in '75. So it's got the turbo 400 transmission. I'm not sure what the rear gear is yet. I've got to jack it up and scrape off the numbers off the axle housing and see what I find there. But like I said, it's a diamond in the rough, but I'm pretty stoked about getting this thing fixed. Needs a little tune-up work, but it runs really good. But really got to get to work on the cancer on the back of the window and get a paint job on this thing. I'm going to do another video showing the engine running.